I am Geeta, Assistant Professor from ECE Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Now I am going to handle the subject on transmission lines and RF system. In Unit 3, I am going to discuss about the topic on the quarter wave line. It is also called as lambda by 4 line. After completing the quarter wave line, the students will able to know about what is meant by quarter wave line. Write the expression for the quarter wave line. What are the application of quarter wave line? So this is the diagram for the quarter wave line of the transmission line. So otherwise the quarter wave line will be called as the quarter wave transformer. So that is the transmission line with finite length is denoted by lambda by 4 and the input voltage and the current is denoted by ES and IS. Then the input impedance of the transmission line is given by Z in. Then the sending end and the receiving end voltage is denoted by ER and IR. After that, already we know the input impedance of the distortionless line. So in the distortionless line, the distance between the sending end and the receiving end will be equal to S is equal to lambda by 4. So the input impedance is given by Z in will be equal to ES divided by IS. That will be equal to R naught into ZR plus J R naught tan beta S divided by R naught plus J ZR tan beta S. So in the beta is equal to 2 pi divided by lambda. So after that the Z in will be equal to R naught into ZR plus J R naught tan 2 pi divided by lambda into lambda divided by 4 divided by R naught plus J ZR tan 2 pi divided by lambda into lambda by 4. So in the both numerator and the denominator, lambda will be cancelled and 2 divided by 4, then we will get the answer as 1 by 2. So after cancelling the terms, we will get the answer as Z in will be equal to R naught into ZR plus J R naught tan pi by 2 the whole divided by R naught plus J ZR tan pi by 2. So for tan pi by 2 we are substituting as infinitive. So in the term we cannot directly substitute as infinitive. So we can take the tan pi by 2 as outside in the both numerator and the denominator. So after that we will get the equation as Z in will be equal to R naught into tan pi by 2 divided by pi by 2 divided by tan pi by 2 into ZR divided by tan pi by 2 plus J R naught divided by R naught divided by tan pi by 2 plus J into ZR. So after that in the numerator and the denominator the first term will be cancelled out, then the remaining will be Z in will be equal to R naught into J ZR. After that R naught will be squared, then the final answer is Z in will be equal to R naught square divided by ZR. So this is the input impedance equation. So that will be similar to the transformer. So the quarter wave line is mainly used for as the transformer for impedance matching to the load impedance ZR with the input impedance Z in. So the quarter wave line or the quarter wave transformer can be used the low impedance and the high impedance. So these can be transferred and vice versa. Then it can be considered as the impedance inverter. So if the quarter wave transformer behaves like a short circuit, then the other end will be like a open circuit. Otherwise, the open circuited quarter wave line will be behave like a short circuit in the other end. Transformer. So in the application of the quarter wave transformer, the length is lambda by 4, then R naught, R naught dash and RA. So these are the quarter wave transformer resistance and the characteristic impedance. So the transformer that will be coupling with the transmission line to the resistive load such as an antenna. From the input impedance equation of the transmission line will be equal to Z in will be equal to R naught square divided by ZR. So after that, if the antenna, if the load having a resistance of RA, the quarter wave section is designed such that its characteristic impedance R naught dash transforms antenna resistance RA to the characteristic impedance of the line R naught. So now we are calculating the R naught will be equal to R naught dash divided by RA. So from that R naught dash square is equal to R naught into RA. Then R naught dash will be equal to root of R naught into RA. Thank you. Quiz question based on the quarter wave line. The condition for the quarter wave transformer is dash.